Hey guys, what's up? It's another day at my house. What are we doing here? Well, these guys are helping me do grunt work, mostly. And we gotta dig some more of this hole and get ready for a pour on Friday. I've actually finally found a concrete truck to show up. We are going to show you what adventure we're gonna have today. But first, we're gonna eat some really tasty food on our new Traeger. Yummy! All right guys, what we got going on is we are finishing the trench. We've already done this like twice it feels like, but we had a big rain event and it washed like 3 to 4 inches in the bottom. We've got 8 or more man hours just in cleaning out these trenches after I already had them dug from the mini excavator. I don't have a lot of time to spend on this after tonight, so we got to get as far as we can, get some forms down and keep the dirt from falling in. We may have to dig some more out and I'm just sick of digging. How's it going over here?
Better.
I realize we have a lot of digging to do.
I think this is good now.
Good, thanks guys. So the top of the footing should be right there.
That good? Level, but...
Worry about the height of the boards after your stakes are in. We just want to make sure everything's square. You think I can hit that in? One hit? Wham! Ready? Oh, you guys, I nailed it! One hit! What do you think? Was that a camera trick or was that real?
Okay.
Let me know.
Hey!
Was you nailing
Right in the wood.
It's the mosquitoes.
What do you mean? First try. First hit.
One hit. Yeah.
I think he hit the wood more times than he hit the nail.
Like
That's crazy.
And you gotta see
That means we have like 3 inches to dig.
with the 2x4.
Well guys, it got really late here. It's past 10 and the mosquitoes are terrible. So the guys took off. We're gonna finish it tomorrow. And I'm checking my fence here because my dad said he saw a deer in here after we just added another wire and it's electric. And it does work. I zapped myself. Crazy deer. All right, anyway, bye for now. You guys ready for this? All right, here he comes. Let's go. You ready for this, Walter? All right, there's a thumbs up. Oh. Where do you want me?
Out of the way!
Wow, that's so high I rank. Well guys, we're a hair short. Shoot. We just got another 5 feet and then we're not gonna make it. I feel like a noob. That's all she wrote. Hey, thanks for everything. Appreciate it. You know what they taught us when Jesse and I were on the dirt crew after high school? Don't move dirt twice. Obviously, I didn't think that applied to concrete. So now I get to move it from over there to over there. All right, let's get this done before it sets up. We're kind of on limited time here. We're gonna make it. Well, Dad, did we make it?
Yep.
Just barely. Just one more piece remains. precision amount right there. We weren't short, guys. We just ordered the exact amount. See, at Ready, we're exact. In fact, we're so exact, it sometimes costs us time to move it around from over here. Oh man. Well guys, like I said in another video, if you have a project that you are in over your head, like I am, and it's related to air seeders, we can help you out. We do air seeders all the time. Imagine this, the average air seeder rebuild and cart whenever we go to a farm is probably $150 to $200. $150 to $200, that's people who do it every day with the right tools, the best tools, and we do it right with a warranty. Hey, hire us to do your air seeder. Then you can work on your own footings and retaining wall and driveway. Just kidding, you can work on farming or hanging out with your family. That's what it's about, right? All right, guys, God bless. Remember, Jesus loves you. Take care, see you next time. Oh, big thanks to you, John. Thanks to you, Dad. Huge thanks. Couldn't have done it without him. Couldn't have done it without all the interns helping me. My brother Jesse didn't do anything, but we won't fault him for that, right? All right.